Hello people, and in this video with Beyblades, I'm gonna do an unboxing of mini Lightning Drago, and it's a keychain. So I've already cut the top right here. It's a bit hard to see. So all I'm gonna have to do is open it up. There's the Beyblade. There's the ripcord, and I'll show you how to work that. And I don't think there's anything else. Let's step up closer. Oh, there's a ripcord. Okay. With this thing, to work it, you're going to have to put the top of the ripcord in this little hole here. You see that little hole? Sorry about that. So you put it in the hole. I've got it the wrong way, sorry. We put it in like that. Should come out the other end. Remember to hold it like this so it can work. And let's test this Beyblade. So let's try, sorry. So this is very hard. I've never handled with a mini Beyblade before. So, remember to hold it like I am. You can barely see, but okay, it's gone away. There it is. And mini Beyblades have a lot of stamina. Normally, El Drago would just be a little bit more of attack but this Beyblade is really good at stamina as well. Yeah, you can watch my other unboxing video of Legend Cameleon. And yeah, thanks for watching, and bye.